Plymouth to Birmingham New Street. This service an hour or so back, a couple hour back, passed our accommodation 23 minutes late. It left Plymouth on the northbound return journey 27 late and is currently going through Dawlish about 34 to 35 minutes late. This is London Paddington to Plymouth, currently running 31 minutes late. Everything's running late, main line wise, and it's causing delays when they meet these stoppers. London Paddington to Penzance, currently 26 minutes late, passing Dawlish. Following another one that were late. A lot of your mainline services are late going south. Edinburgh Plymouth currently on time, 46 minutes to journey's end. Between the tunnels, the first one, KENNAWAY going into.